Hi, I'm Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. Today I am going to be making a bat, and then I'll be making them into mini bats ready for spinning my next core spun yarn. So this video will probably be a couple parts to it. The blending and then the spinning. So I'm thinking maybe 3 parts to this one, and I will be showing you how to prep your fibre ready for doing core spun yarn, and then how to spin it. So what I'm going to be using in this bat is all leftovers from previous spins, and some sari silk. So this is some of the sari silk that I'm going to be using. It's a mix of threads and leftover silks in a couple different colors. Next, I'm going to be using some leftover fibre from other spins to add colour. This is actually an aqua colour, not a dark blue. And then I've stripped some other roving that was left behind from one of my thick and thin spins. And for the base, I'm going to be using some of the purple, pink and black fibre from one of my Dusk Till Dawn yarns. So this is all left over from a thick and thin yarn, and that will be for the base. Now you'll get your roving and then you separate it apart nice and even, like this one, and then you go top side or bottom side down, and card it slowly onto your drum. This is the easiest way to revitalize any fibre that has been sitting for a while and gone a bit felted. But if you can't afford a drum carder, I recommend buying a blending board. A blending board, you're looking at around $175, but for a drum carder like this, you're looking at around $680. Now this one can do up to 80-gram bats. It's an extra fine tooth, so anything that goes through this comes out extremely soft. I'm going to do a couple layers of this for the base, and then I'll start applying the colour, the extra colour. Now this is for an art bat, and it's to make core spun yarn. So once it's being spun onto the core thread, all of these hidden colours in this bat will pop, and I'll have flecks of colour all through the yarn. So I've done 2 layers of that for the base. Now I'm going to add some of the aqua. Now I want this slightly blended into it. It will look a bit knotty, but that is fine, because once you start core spinning it, it will all blend in, and all those knots you won't even see. And sometimes they add texture to the finished yarn, and it looks very, very pretty. I'm going to add a little bit of metallic Angelina. Now with this, you don't need a lot. You just pull a little bit off, apply it to the top like so, and card it through. Add a little tiny bit to the bits that don't have any. Some people do not like sparkle in their stuff, so keep that in mind if you are making these to order or making these to sell. Not a lot of people like sparkle, and only some people like lots and lots of sparkle. So have options for those that do not like it, those that do really like it, and those that only like a little bit of it. I don't like having stuff with too much. That's me personally. I think it's pretty just having a little tiny bit. And you don't need a lot of extra colour in this. And I'll probably make a couple different ones because I've got a fair bit of leftover fibre and I don't want it to just take over from the yarn, from the purple. I'm going to add some pink and orange and green Suri silk to add texture. I'm going to add that to the top so it doesn't get caught up on my small drum. With blending, it helps to learn about each type of fiber and how it plays with your equipment, so you don't end up breaking anything. Like so. And then I will be adding some more purple, pink and black. I'm going to add some more of the, actually I might do another layer, and then I'm going to finish it with a bulk amount of beautiful textured colors on the top. Now with horse fun, it's a more thicker wool once it's finished. So you'll only be able to fit 60 to 70 grams of fiber on a 100-gram bobbin. So keep that in mind. So you don't end up wasting anything. I make 60 to 70 gram bats. See how it's starting to pick up on the front drum? It means that the fiber is starting to fill up on the back one. I've got 1 minute to go and then it's going to stop. So if I cut out, I apologize, and I will show pictures of the end, the finished product at the end of this video.